Let's face it, everyone, flooring is definitely one of the top things that can blow any budget in your remodel. But have no fear, today we're gonna be going over 3 options that are gonna be very budget friendly and keep you under that $4 a square foot mark. My name's Jared, I'm with TL Floor and Design in Lincoln. Please like and subscribe to this video, and you're definitely gonna wanna stick around to the end because we're gonna have a bonus option that is so good, it's gonna keep you under $3 a square foot. It's still gonna maintain that high-end look, and to be honest, I'm surprised that more contractors and installers aren't telling you about this. We're gonna share it with you today, and let's get into it, guys. All right, everybody, our first choice is definitely gonna be a laminate. Laminate is gonna be a great product. It is gonna be highly durable. It's gonna have some very great waterproof features about it. It's definitely gonna come in some great unique styles, and it's definitely gonna be something that you can find products that, when it's all said and done, will keep you under the $4 a square foot mark. And this is gonna be something that's very durable. It's gonna be very pet friendly. It's gonna be able to go in so many areas, from your kitchens to your bathrooms to your bedrooms. This is just definitely a great option to stay under $4 a square foot. This product is made by Robbins. It is their Valley Terrain series, and this is definitely an option that's gonna keep you underneath that $4 a square foot mark. I will link this product below so you guys can check it out if you want. Product number 2, luxury vinyl. Everyone, this is gonna be a great option. It is gonna be a waterproof product. It is gonna be a durable product. We're gonna be able to put it in kitchens and bathrooms and bedrooms. It's gonna be very universal. It's gonna be a pet-friendly product. One thing to be aware of, we are specifically talking about budget items and specifically items that are gonna be going on concrete foundations. If we're gonna be on a raised foundations, there are definitely gonna be other products that I recommend. This product specifically is the Pure SPC Max from Public Flooring. There's definitely gonna be easily around 3 dozen options under that $4 a square foot price point, and we'll put a link below so you guys can check it out. Unfortunately, porcelain and ceramic tiles are not gonna fit into our budget. Here's the caveat. You will be able to find tiles under $4 a square foot, $3 a square foot. It is an affordable option. However, the install cost is gonna blow our budget right out of the water. All right, everyone, bonus option, here it is, glued down vinyl. This is definitely something that is going to still look high-end, but keep our budget actually below the $3 square foot point. It's gonna have all the embossing, it's all gonna have everything that you like visually about a click vinyl, but glue down vinyl, honestly, I don't know why more people aren't talking about it. It is going to take a little more prep work. However, it is going to be highly durable. It will actually be more durable than your click vinyl. Go to any grocery store in your town, look at the floor. I can pretty much guarantee you it's going to be a glue down vinyl. There will be a little more prep work involved. However, the final product, especially for rentals, for ADUs, places where we're gonna have just heavy loads and things that are gonna be more wear and tear, it is gonna be a wonderful option for you. Once again, keeping that price down and still looking great. This product is from Metropolitan Floors. They have a wonderful selection of glue down vinyls. We'll drop a link below so you guys can check it out. So there you go, guys. Those are our top budget friendly options under $4 a square foot. I would definitely put laminate and vinyl very high up there on things that I would recommend my clients. However, I do want to let you know with the glue down vinyl, I think it is something you should strongly consider, especially if you are in a rental category or commercial space. Guys, warranties are not transferable on laminates and vinyl. We need to know that. So if you're gonna have renters in, you cannot have a warranted product. Therefore, the glue down vinyl is definitely gonna be probably the strongest option for you. If you have any questions regarding glue down vinyl, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And just so you guys know, we will be doing a full video dedicated to glue down vinyl in the near future. Once again, everybody, I'm Jared with TL Floor and Design in Lincoln. Please like and subscribe to the videos. We love to bring these to you as often as we can.